Welcome back. In this video, you'll learn how to create and add an activity totals card to your records in Hubspot, so you can easily track engagement at a glance. To get started, you'll need to navigate to Object Record Customization. Click on the Settings or gear icon in the top right corner of your Hubspot account. From there, look at the left sidebar and locate Objects. Scroll down if needed to find it. Once you're there, choose the type of object you want to customize. This can be contacts, companies, leads, deals, or tickets. For this example, select Contacts so we can work with the Contact Record customization. After selecting the object, choose which activity types you want to track, such as emails and other engagement activities. Click on Record Customization to continue. From here, you'll be able to view and manage the layout. You can select a theme view as well as a default view. If you like, you can also create a new team view, such as one focused on emails, calls, or meetings that you want to track for your contacts. You can edit the layout however you like. Choose the time range you want to display, add the activity totals card to the layout, and customize it based on your preferences. Once the card is added and everything looks the way you want, save it to the layout. When you're finished, click Save and Exit to apply the changes. That's all for today. If you haven't signed up for Hubspot yet, be sure to use the affiliate links in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.